Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not working on your PlayStation 5. First, let's cover some basic troubleshooting. Always begin by checking your internet connection. A stable network is crucial for online gaming. Next, try restarting your PlayStation 5 console entirely. It's also a good idea to confirm that Roblox's servers are not experiencing any widespread outages. Finally, make sure your Roblox application is fully updated to its most recent version for optimal performance. If the basic steps don't resolve the issue, let's dive into more advanced network solutions. A simple yet effective step is to power cycle your router and modem. Unplug them for about 30 seconds before plugging them back in. Consider switching from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet cable for improved stability and speed. You might also try adjusting your PlayStation 5's DNS settings to public DNS servers like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Lastly, test your network speed to confirm it meets the game's requirements. Now, let's look at solutions related to your console and the game data itself. Clearing the cache on your PlayStation 5 can often resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, consider rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database through safe mode, which can optimize system performance. A more drastic, but often effective step is to delete the Roblox application entirely and then reinstall it. Also, always ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is completely up to date. Finally, if the problem persists, it might be related to your Roblox account or require external support. Try logging out of your Roblox account and then logging back in to refresh your session. If possible, attempt to access Roblox using a different account to determine if the issue is account-specific. For persistent problems, contacting Roblox support directly is highly recommended. They can offer personalized assistance. Additionally, exploring official Roblox forums can sometimes reveal community-driven solutions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.